Good morning everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick demonstration of the installation of the Bulletpoint mounting solutions Picatinny rail system. So right out of the box here with the Picatinny rail system, as you can see, just 4 bolt holes right over here. These are going to mount directly above your entertainment system on the JLJT. It comes with everything you need, including the screws, little Allen key, and the mount you choose when you make your original purchase. I decided to go with the wireless charging mount, which is going to be in this box right here, and then the micro arm, which is going to be in this box right here. So step number 1, you're going to need to remove these plastic pieces right here, one on each side, right here and right here. Now I've kind of already popped this one loose, but to get it loose you can just take a small flathead, stick it right in between there, and then just pop that up and you'll see the mounting locations. Let me show you that. Once you get that popped up, all you gotta do is pull it off, and then you'll see the 4 bolt holes right here, 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 and that's exactly how the Picatinny rail system mounts. So as you can see, just slides right on top of there, no drilling, just using the factory holes inside the JLJT. Once you get everything bolted down, as you can see, this thing ain't going anywhere. Now it's just the 4 screws, this side, that side. All you gotta do is snug them down, hand tight. They don't need to be cranked down or anything like that. This mount ain't going nowhere. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the wireless phone mount attached up, and then I'll give you all a shot of that. Now for any of the type of mounting options, as you can see right here, it comes with these little collars. All you do is loosen them up just like this, slide them right on here, and then tighten them down, and you're good to go. Now Bulletproof offers this little bar right here in multiple different sizes, micro, mini, small, medium, and large. So depending on what your mounting or what your use case is, then you can choose between different lengths. This one right here I believe is the micro or mini, so this is one of the smaller ones. I have the shortest one, which is basically just 2 of these collars right here, right back to back, right up next to each other, to give you the shortest mounting solution possible. And then you can get a long one in case you wanted to mount like a tablet arm or something like that over there on the right. That way you can load all your off-road maps when you're hitting the trail. Here's what everything looks once you get it all mounted up. As you can see, I have it tilted down a little bit. You still have plenty of room in between your hands to access your windshield wipers and everything like that. Now I may go ahead and swap this out for a slightly shorter arm because I want to try to get my phone as snug up in here as I possibly can. But that's just personal preference, so you can mix and match all of these, completely modular system, and get it exactly how you want to. Now I plan on having a GoPro mount mounted right up in the middle so I can film some of the trails that we plan on going on. And then over here, probably like either a phone mount for my wife or a tablet mount. That way we can get some Onyx off-road and get some off-road trails just in case we're losing signal when we're out on the trail. Now remember, this is a Picatinny rail system. So for anyone that is familiar with a hobby involving some pew-pews, then you'll understand exactly how this works. They do not on Bulletpoint mounting solutions, but you can buy some Picatinny rail extensions. So say you wanted to take this out a little bit further, I don't know, maybe another GoPro mount for whatever you wanted to use it for, you can just get a Picatinny rail system, attach it right here to the end, and it'll extend this rail out to around right here depending on what size you get. So very versatile mounting solution, highly recommended, super solid. Don't worry about having to get anything tight. As you can see, like, this is just with my hand and this ain't going nowhere. They do send you a tool when you buy your kit, a F-it tool, that's what they call it. So you want to know what that is, head over to Bulletproof Mounting Solutions, watch that video, some great marketing going on there. This is going to be the first video I put up on the channel. Feel free to join us. Me and my wife are going to be modifying this 2025 Gladiator Rubicon and her 2024 Ford Bronco alongside each other, doing some comparing and contrasting of the pros and cons of each type of vehicle. We also have a 21 Camaro SS1LE over there in the garage with quite a bit of work done to it. Going to be taking that out this weekend for some roll race action, so feel free to join. Going to have a video going up on that as well. Also going to be testing out the towing capacity for the 2025 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon, sitting at 7,000, so going to be towing the car down to the racetrack. Total weight most likely going to come in around just below 6,000 pounds. So going to be doing a video on how the Jeep Gladiator handles that kind of weight. So again, thank you for stopping by, watching this quick video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See y'all later.